from Enchanting English. Today I have got a very interesting session for you. I have come today with 10 common expressions which are very often used wrongly. Without wasting time, let us plunge into the topic. The first one in my list is abide. Abide means act in accordance with. So many use this word in sentence like we have to abide with the rules of the institution. In fact, the preposition with is wrong there because the word itself means act in accordance with. So the correct usage is abide by. The next word in my list is accompany. Accompany means go with someone to somewhere. So many people use a sentence like she accompanied with me to the school. So in fact the preposition with is wrong there because the word means to go with someone. So the correct preposition that we have to use is not with. You have to just say she accompanied me to the school. The third one in my list is agree. In fact, there are two prepositions that you can use with agree. One is with and the other one is to. You can agree with someone, but you agree to someone's opinion or proposal. So we say, I agree with you, but I agree to your proposal. The next one in my list is congratulate. Very often people use for with congratulate. In fact, it is wrong. When we say we congratulated him for his achievement, you are wrong. The correct preposition that we have to use is on. So we say we congratulated him on his achievement. Here comes the next expression in my list. It is confident. Many say she is confident in her success. In fact, the preposition to be used after the word confident is of. So we say she is confident of her success. The next word in my list is die. Many say with die. So the sentence like he died with malaria is wrong. When we say about the cause of death, we must use of, not with. So the correct usage is he died of malaria. You can also use from when the agent is an indirect agent. So we can say like he died from radiation or he died from exposure to radiation. That's quite right. The next word in my list is discuss. Many use about with discuss. In fact, what's the meaning of discuss? Discuss means to talk about. So when you say we discuss about the matter, you are completely wrong. Because discuss itself means talk about. So we must say we discuss the matter. And if you are very conscious that you want to use the word about, you must say we talked about the matter. And never say we discuss about the matter. Here comes the next word. It is enter. Many say sentence like we entered into the room or he entered into the room. In fact, the word enter means to come or go into a place. So the preposition into is already existing in the word enter, and hence we must avoid using into after enter. So the correct usage is he entered the room or they entered the room. Here comes the next word, which is look. In fact, look is a verb with which you can make so many phrasal verbs. You can add many prepositions to get different meanings. Here I have a word with you, look up and look for. When you say I look for a word in the dictionary, you are completely wrong. You can say I look for an answer in the book. That's correct. But when you mean to look a word in the dictionary, you must use a preposition up. So the correct usage is I looked up a word in the dictionary. This is the last one in my list, return. And I'm very sure that many of you make this mistake. Let us know why it is wrong to say return back. What do you mean by return? Return means come back. So the very preposition back is there with the word return. So never say return back. So when you say the sentence like she returned back to India in 1998, you are wrong. You must say she returned to India in 1998. I believe today's session was useful to you and you will never make mistakes hereafter with the usage of these particular prepositions that I dealt with today. If you found the session useful, please don't forget to click the like button. At the same time, please do give me some comments so that it will energize me to continue doing. Till then, love learning, keep growing. Thank you.